Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you what I'm going to eat tonight again. Today is special because it's going to be the first time I will buy sashimi fish from the supermarket and cut them myself. Why would I do that? Because I feel that the price is really very cheap. I'm not sure whether I'm right, so we can all take a look at the fish I bought and its price. Let's take a look. So this is the first fish that I bought. It cost 615 yen total for 151 grams. So every 100 grams is 378 yen. How big it is? Let's take a look. So there's two pieces. Each piece is about slightly less than 20 cm. And the thickness, let's see, the thickness, I think it's about 1 cm. And the other fish I bought is this one. So it's total 223 grams. For every 100 grams is 189 yen. And if tax inclusive is 455 yen. So this one is those type that the skin is already seared, and then in the middle it's still raw. So this is the two fish I'm gonna eat today. I think it's slightly more than 10 Singapore dollars.